In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Dropbox password in 2025, a complete guide that will make this simple process even more straightforward. So whether you've forgotten your password or just want to change it for security reasons, follow along and you'll be back into your Dropbox account in no time. First, let's start by heading over to the official Dropbox website, which is do.dropbox.com. Once you're on the home page, look over to the top right corner and you'll see a button that says Sign In. Click on that button to proceed to the login page. Now on this page, right below the fields where you would normally enter your email and password, you'll notice a link that says Forgot your password? Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to a new page where you'll be asked to enter your Dropbox account email address. This step is crucial, so make sure you enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. Once you've done this, press the Submit button. Next, it's time to check your email inbox. Look out for an email from Dropbox with a subject line regarding password reset instructions. This email should arrive shortly after you've requested the password reset, but if it doesn't appear right away, be sure to check your spam or promotional folders just in case it landed there. When you find the email, open it and you'll see a button or link that says Reset Password. Click on it and you will be redirected back to the Dropbox website. Now you will be on a page where you can create your new password. Be sure to choose a strong password, one that's difficult for others to guess, but easy enough for you to remember. A good tip is to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance its strength. Once you've settled on a new password, you'll need to confirm it by re-entering it in the designated field. After you've done that, click the Submit button, and that's it. You now have a new password for your Dropbox account. You should be able to log in with your new credentials immediately. Remember, keeping your passwords fresh and secure is an important step in protecting your online accounts. Also, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your Dropbox account. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.